channel. So as you know, I have been gone for a pretty long time. I think the last video that I posted was in May, but I'm back again. This is literally like every single year I come back and then I leave, and then 6 months later I come back again. I'm busy, okay? Anyways, today we're gonna do a thrift haul because I went thrifting recently, and my last thrift video, I did not know what I was doing basically. But now I've come to you with a pretty, in my opinion, pretty insane, pretty dope thrift haul, in my opinion. Anyways, let's get on with this haul. The thrift store that I decided to go to was this Value Village that is like not far from my house. It's about like a 10-minute drive. And I got a lot of stuff. This is a huge bulging bag. It's so heavy. I'm gonna leave the best thing, my favorite thing, for last. The first thing that I got is this black Mex blazer because I needed a blazer really badly, and I think I got it for like $16, which is, in my opinion, a bit much, but I needed a blazer, so it was that or I pay like $40 at a store for a blazer. It is missing a button right there. There's 2 buttons. There's supposed to be a 3rd one in the middle of them, but I don't really mind. So speaking of blazers, this is like a really crazy blazer kind of thing, but I'm gonna like crop it and like alter it, and it's gonna be completely different. But it's this like vintage, like I don't know if this is 90s or 80s, but I don't know if you can see, it's got these like colorful threads in it, and I got it for $5. This is the tag. It's definitely vintage, you can tell. I want to turn it into like a little short jacket, but if it doesn't work out, then honestly I'll just, I don't know, I'll donate it back or something, because this was just kind of a craft project for me. Next, I also got another like craft project, I guess, but I'm gonna wear it. This is actually like cool. So I got this crazy sweater. It's really nice and like oversized, and it's actually like really long. As you can tell, it's pretty long. Like, it doesn't look good that long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop it at the waist, and then it's gonna be perfect. It's also vintage. You can see I got it for $5 as well. It's from Retman's, but like the tag is, you can tell it's vintage. Well, not vintage, I guess it's just like old, but I don't know what the definition of vintage is. Oh my god. I don't know, if vintage means like really, really old, then it's probably not really, really old, but it's definitely like older. But I just thought the print is like really cool. And you're probably wondering, how are you gonna crop a sweater? So I watched a video that if you like cut it and then you cut the binding off the bottom like this, then you can like serge the binding to the edge somehow. I'm gonna see if that works out. Next, I got another sweater. This one is from Topshop, and I think I'm gonna try to sell this one just because I realized I have too much sweaters. It's from Topshop though, and I got it for $8.99. Next, I got another sweater. So this one I think I'm selling to my friend because as much as I love it, I realized I don't really have anything to really wear it with, like other than jeans, but like you can wear everything with jeans, and this is kind of more like a fancier-ish sweater. So this is from Zara. I got this for $10. The fabric is like really like good quality. It's really nice and like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like silky. It looks practically brand new. Next we have something that I practically almost like fell over when I saw the retail price of this. So I saw this black turtleneck while I was going down through the turtlenecks, but I wasn't really like looking, like I wasn't digging through. I just like saw it and I knew I wanted a black turtleneck like in my head. So I pulled it out, and then I realized it's brand new and it has this like really fancy tag. And then I decided to Google the brand because it looked like really fancy, and I like looked for like something like similar, like a similar like black turtleneck by the company. And guess how much it was worth retail? $675. So I bought it for $15. I was like, I'm not passing this up. Like, if I don't wear it, then I can always just sell it on eBay for 200 bucks. Make some profit there. So this is the black turtleneck. It is by the brand Ballantine, brand new with the tags. This is cashmere. It's a black turtleneck that is cashmere. So I'm pretty sure this is an Italian company made from Australian sheep wool. And I think it's made in Scotland. In my opinion, they could have just used like sheep wool from Scotland. Like there's plenty of sheep in Scotland, but they had to source it from Australia. If anyone wants to buy this from me, I will willingly sell this turtleneck to you for 200 bucks. I am open to some negotiations, depends, we'll see. But please, I'm trying to fund my traveling, so I would really appreciate it. So it's a really nice turtleneck. It's in a size 5, I believe. This might be vintage. The tag doesn't look like that new-ish. Well, it looks brand new, but like, you know what I mean. It doesn't look like the tags we have now, but it's made in Scotland. You can see this is official. It's a size 5, so, but I think it fits like small in my opinion. Like it's not big. It's not that big. Like I prefer to wear it oversized, but then again, like if you want it tight, then you can wear it tight. So I guess it does fit like a size 6, 8 probably too. But yeah, it's a really cute turtleneck. Please buy it from me because I don't need a $200 turtleneck. I'm gonna get it ruined. So this deserves someone who can actually treat it well. Okay, next I got 3 t-shirts. So the first shirt that I have is this Athens shirt from Greece, the Parthenon. I've been to Athens and Greece, but I don't have like a shirt or like anything. I have a bracelet and I think a figurine or something. But I just thought this would be cute to wear with mom jeans, like every other t-shirt, but I don't know, I just liked it. It was $3, so. Oh, and by the way, I'm talking about Canadian money. As you know, Value Village is in Canada, Savers is in the US, so I'm talking in Canadian dollars. Next, I have this shirt. I just really like the design on the front. It's from Joe Fresh, and I got this one for $3.49. Next, I got this green one. It has this little scene of like a lion chasing some zebras, and it says out of Africa. I just thought this one was also like really cute. Not much more than that to say. Next, ouch. Okay, I just stabbed myself with the nail on the back of this. We're doing great here. You're gonna think I'm crazy for getting this, but like, I don't care, okay? Leave me alone. So I got this African, I don't know if this is African or like where this is from. It doesn't say on the back or anything. But I got this, like, I think this is a mask. Anyways, I just got this for the shelf above my desk because I have all this like travel stuff on there, like figurines, like souvenirs and memorabilia and all that. So I just thought this would look really cool. And I also got a boomerang. I'm showing you a picture because it's on my wall already and I don't want to take it off because I taped it on with masking tape and I have a feeling it's gonna fall off if I just keep taking it off and on. It says handmade in Australia on the back. It's really cool. Now we have reached the pièce de résistance. I was looking for this like exact thing in these exact colors. It's literally perfect. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's perfect. If you don't think it is, then fight me. I got a windbreaker. It's pink, turquoise, and purple, and it's literally the perfect colors. The fit is like pretty dang good. Like, it's a size large, but it fits me like perfectly. And I just love it so much. It's vintage too. It's from the brand Kiwi. I just like it. It's colorful and fun and vintage. So now that I've showed you guys everything, I'm gonna play a little try on montage of everything so you can see what it looks like on. Okay, so this is me 2 hours later. I cropped the sweater and I also managed to break my mom's sewing machine. Yay. So I actually didn't finish sewing it together. Like, I need to run it through the machine again. But the problem is I broke the machine. So But I think it turned out really nice, and I think with my jeans it's gonna look really, really good. It's very like bright and like spunky. If you want to buy this turtleneck from me, please DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be right here. It's s255252. It's brand new with tags, and it's such nice high quality. It's cashmere. It's an amazing turtleneck, and I would keep it. It's just, I know that there's no point in me keeping something that I'm gonna wear once or twice that's worth this much money. So again, starting price I would say is $200, but I'm open to negotiating it down. So if you really want it, please DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is s255252. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm so thankful for the 200 subscribers that I recently got. I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden my video of me sneaking into my elementary school to go to the Scholastic Book Fair like started getting like tons of views every single day. Now it's I think at like over 3,000, and that's like insane to me. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!